CFMoto has expanded its adventure bike lineup with a new model based off the same 693cc parallel twin it's used for the past several years. The new CFMoto 700 MT is debuting to global markets, offering a street-biased adventure tour built around familiar tech. In this case, it's very familiar tech, as that 693cc parallel twin actually uses the same basic design as Kawasaki's 650 parallel twin. Kawi used this in the Versys, R6N, and other models over the past couple of decades. It's reliable and trusted. And we have not heard of any complaints about CFMoto's version of the design, which has a longer stroke to boost capacity, which in turn is supposed to help low-speed performance. Output is a claimed 73 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute, and 50 pounds-ft of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute. CFMoto currently uses this engine in a scrambler and other models, and previously sold a CF700 CL-X Adventure as well. The new 700 MT model appears to be an update on that design, mostly with new electro trickery, although it's basic stuff, no emu here. The engine itself now comes with sport and eco modes. The lighting is upgraded. There's a new 5 inches TFT screen. There's a pair of new USB plugs. ABS is standard. There's an 18-liter fuel tank, a wide seat, and a set of 17 inches wheels front and rear. Don't expect to take this down any hardcore off-road tracks, then. CFMoto gave the bike a chrome moly frame and a 43mm fork, with 140mm of travel. The rear side mount monoshock has 145mm of travel. The brakes come from Spanish manufacturer J. Juan, with dual discs and 2 piston calipers up front and single disc in rear. CFMoto also sourced the tires from Europe, going with Pirelli's. This Euro parts on Chinese bikes theme is getting more and more common these days. Side boxes and crash bars are optional on many Chinese bikes. They're standard, and they probably come standard in some other markets. At this point, we haven't heard of the machine coming to the US or Canada, and we'd still like to see some more information. Is the suspension adjustable? We'd guess it isn't. What would pricing be? Although the specs for this bike seem much more in line with Japanese competitors than its 650 predecessor, none of that matters if the pricing isn't attractive. And of course, most important of all is, how will the bike hold up to hard use? As always, that's the greatest question on machines from China.